Hey guys, Jonathan here. Today we're going to be discussing Stardust. Modern day tiles are made in many different shapes and sizes, and the Stardust is no exception. With its unique marble imitation and its contemporary colors, the Stardust range is something that is really interesting and our clients have been taking to. Available in 4 colors, the Deep, Nebula, Moon and Milk, the Stardust also offers a variety of different unique prints and faces to its range. Sizes are 300 by 600 format, 600 by 600 format, 600 by 1200 format, 750 by 750, and of course, for those that are brave, the 750 by 1.5 meter format. The 2 surfaces from the Stardust are the soft and the matte. The soft surface is very, very unique. The manufacturers have created a feel almost like a honed stone, but without compromising its ability to be cleaned and maintenance. The soft surface, I guess you could compare it to a Leparto finish, but without the gloss. We're seeing our clients gravitate to this finish due to its 0.2% porosity rate and its minimalistic maintenance. The matte surface is a great product to use whether residential or commercial. It is an R10 non-slip surface. Applications are bathrooms, patios, main floors even. And each size on each format is available on both surfaces. The Stardust range has a very, very unique story. When the light penetrates the surface of the tile, glimpses of shades and tones start to occur. This is due to the nature of the way the tile has been manufactured. The veins come alive with different angles of the tile, which gives you that whole sparkling atmosphere story. To complete the range, the Stardust tile comes in a mosaic, which is a geometric format in many different sizes on a 300 by 300 sheet. Couple that with 3 different types of inserts in silver, bronze and gold. We really have a complete range here that you can take on for that consistent or that continuity throughout the property. Here at Amalfi Tiles, we ensure that our clients get the opportunity to look, touch and feel the product, and also take samples away with you when pairing them with carpet or timber, or even just getting the family's opinion and everyone on board. Come in store to view the Stardust. We'd really like to take you on that journey here at Amalfi Tiles.